Let's take a deep look into top 10 richest countries in the world. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video cause you will forget at end. So let's get on. Number 10. Hong Kong. This former colony of Great Britain is now a special administrative region of China, which begs the question, is it an independent country? This is apparently the case as the whole world in general treats it as one. It is one of the Asia's financial hubs, ranking number 4 out of world's 190 economies in the Ease of Doing Business Index that the World Bank periodically compiles. A popular destination for startups, Hong Kong is open to foreigners owning 100% of their businesses despite the absence of citizenship. It is also home to the largest number of ultra-high net worth, $30 million at least. Number 9. Kuwait. Ninth in our top 10 richest countries in the world list, the small Arab nation is known for having a petroleum-based economy with petroleum-based products accounting for 95% of its export. It therefore does not come as a surprise that Kuwait's GDP per capita has reached $66,980, spiking by 1.9% from the previous year. The country is not only the ninth richest in the world but is also one of the wealthiest among Gulf Cooperation Council member states, secondly only to Qatar. But the fact that the country sits on around 10% of the world's petroleum reserves has to keep it from exploring other revenue sources. In fact, it has been seeking to diversify into other potential income sources in preparation for the future. Number 8. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Another Middle East country that relies heavily on petroleum revenue, the United Arab Emirates also benefits from income derived from its telecommunication and service sectors. It does not rest on its laurels despite being among the world's most wealthy nations. It has been diversifying its income sources, betting on industries that have high yield potential. This move has immensely benefited the national economy, with the tourist trade helping the economy through 2007 to 2009 world financial crisis. Sound economic policy has indeed been sustaining the UAE, resulting in a 2.4% increase in its GDP per capita, which now stands at $70,262. 7. Norway. A prominent country in Scandinavia, Norway is gifted with both beauty and charm, not to mention a rich economy. In fact, its GDP per capita has expanded by 3.1% in 2018, reaching a staggering $74,318. Industrialization has greatly contributed to the country's economic growth, with activities such as natural resources and petroleum exploration and fishing contributing in bulk to the economy. Known for its impeccable living standards, Norway monetary policy is one of the independent future and nature, which has appeared. Number 6. Ireland. A land known as wearing great writers and its lovely tourist spots, Ireland has evolved into one of the most affluent nations in the world. It has one of the highest living standards worldwide thanks to its robust economy, which is primarily driven by trade and investment specialists. Ireland's GDP per capita has increased by 6.1%, reaching $1,670. Despite peaking in 2008, Ireland's economic growth remains the envy of other countries. The entry of foreign investors like Microsoft, Google and Apple has transformed the country into an exporter of medical, electrical and computer equipment. Also contributing to its economic growth are its pharmaceutical and chemical industries, along with natural resources such as fisheries, minerals and timber. Number 5. Brunei Darussalam. The small Southeast nation is populated by 400,000 people, but don't let its size fool you. Brunei Darussalam has consistently made it to top 10 richest countries in the world in recent years. This year, the country holds the number 5 spot with a GDP per capita $81,612, up 3% from 2017. This robust Southeast Asian economy is heavily dependent on its oil and natural gas production, which supports more than half of its GDP. This is further reinforced with its income from its investment overseas and local production. Brunei, however, is starting to diversify its economy by investing in other sectors. The strong economy is reflected in the government's subsidy of food and housing and provision of free healthcare to its people. Number 4. Singapore. The cosmopolitan city-state of 5.612 million people is known as the wealthiest nation in Asia by far. Fourth in the whole world with a GDP of per capita with 98,255, a 4.4% increase in 2017. Despite its minuscule size, lack of natural resources and agricultural land, it has managed to amass wealth that other countries only dream of. Today, Singapore economy continues to grow, driven primarily by foreign investments and trade. The largest economic sectors including banking, shipbuilding and electronics, dubbed as most expensive country in the world. Singapore has been living up to its reputation and its economy expanded by 3.9% during the second quarter of 2018 alone. Much of this has been attributed to the country's liberal economic policy and multicultural economy, although the financial service sector remains as the backbone of the country's economy. Number 3. Luxembourg. The small European nation is known as majestic castles, delectable cuisines, and being the last Grand Duchy in the world. But the country more than makes up its size with its strong economy. Luxembourg ranked third in our list top 10 richest country in the world this century. The country has posted a GDP per capita of $109,199, an increase of 3.9% from the last year. Its diverse natural resources is seen as the main driver of Luxembourg. The economic growth with the steel, industrial and banking segments as its leading revenue generators. It has also been attacking banks from around the globe owing to its low taxes, proof of which is the fact that country has over 150 banks, conservative economic policies, and have also played a role in the country's economic growth with the economic known for innovation and negligible economic rates. Number 2. Macau. This former Portuguese colony has established itself as the second wealthiest nation in the world, posting a 7.4% increase in GDP per capita, which has increased $118,099. Its strong economy is driven by primarily tourism and gambling, earning the title largest gambling center in the world. Compared to the other gambling economies, Macau has reaped the most benefit from the sector, continuously posting the highest gambling revenue in the world since the year 2006. Visitor arrivals have likewise increased, rising by 8% to 16.8 million during the first 6 months of 2018. Although these income sources have been consistently delivering moves to develop the administrative and manufacturing sectors and underway. Number 1. Qatar. Ranking first in our top 10 richest country is oil-rich Qatar. Its robust economy, which has been outperforming the rest of the world, is powered by well-established petroleum sector, which accounts for 85% of its export and 70% of total national revenue. With a population of only around 2.639 million, Qatar enjoys the economic benefits of a small nation blessed with a very vast oil reserve. The country in recent years has enjoyed surplus revenues from all oil sectors. Aside from this, the tourist trade has also been contributing. So that is a wrap on today's video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share this video to appreciate my work. Thank you so much.